Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, last time we had seen how to write a graphical text on a colored background, and this was the job that we had done last time. Today we are going to start different kinds of shapes, and in the shapes we are going to draw line, and one important program is there that is given on your books, page number uh, this is given on your books, page number 70. Let me again check the page number. पेज नंबर 59, पेज नंबर 59 पे ये प्रोग्राम दिया हुआ है एंड वी हैव टू डू दिस प्रोग्राम. We have to draw a line, but first we will draw a simple line. How we can draw a line? There are four coordinates that we have to mention. Four coordinates are there: x1, y1. X1, y1 will mention the starting and ending position of the line x1, y1. Then x2, y2, it will mention the x and y coordinate for the ending position of the line. So basically there are 2 points. Whenever we are drawing any line, there are 2 points: starting point and ending point. Starting point is denoted by 2 coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, and ending point is also mentioned by 2 coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. So in this way we can draw a line. Okay. What are these four coordinates? This is the important thing that you need to understand. X1 and y1 is the starting coordinate of the line, and x2 and y2 are the ending coordinate of the line. So these are the two coordinates that we are going to mention, and line will be drawn accordingly on the given screen. What is the screen size or the page size, page output size that we are taking? Just like last time we had taken 440 and 150. 440 was the height width and the 150 was the height. Just like in this example 350, then we changed it to 350. So all other properties are there that we need to set over here. So let me share with you the program. Okay, how we can draw a single line. We will start from the single line. Okay, how we can draw a single line. So I am going to share the file in Small Basic. I will open Small Basic. In order to save the time, I have already typed the file, although we can also type it here, but doesn't matter. I have already typed it. Now see and just pay attention. I am going to explain it to you. And then if you have got any question, you can ask me. Okay. First of all, we are going to mention the graphics window dot title. What would be the title of the window that we are going to create? I have mentioned title lines of different width. I am going to mention here draw a single line. Draw a single line, because in this program I am just drawing a single line. In the next program, inshallah, that we are going to do after it, we will be drawing different lines, multiple lines. Okay. Single line draw करना है. Graphics dot window width. Graphics window dot width is 400. We have taken the width 400 and the height of the window is 420. We can change it up to 500. It's up to us. Just like I had changed something in the last program and I had explained to you last time. So height is 400 pixels and the width is 400 pixels and the height is 500 pixels. So graphics window dot background is the other property that we have set. We have taken the yellow color background. You can change the background to red, blue, or green, or pink, or any other color. That is up to you. Graphics window dot back color, I have taken over here yellow color. Then graphics window dot pen color. What kind of pen is there that you are going to use? Graphics window dot pen color is red. So now graphics window dot pen color I have mentioned red. And what will be the thickness of the pen? This is important thing. What will be the thickness of the pen? The thickness of the pen will be 3. Graphics window dot width, pen width. The pen that we are using for drawing the line, what should be its thickness? If we make it 10, then it will be very thick. If we make it 1, it will be very thin. We can change it according to our requirement. Now, this is the line which is basically the today's topic, and it is an important thing to understand. Okay, when we are writing a code to draw a line, so we have to mention 4 coordinates over here: x1, y1, the first starting position of the line, and x2, y2, the ending position of the line. So these are the two things. Now see over here, the starting position, as I have mentioned here, the starting position is 30 and 20. 30 and 20. 20 is y coordinate. 20 is same. Matlab y coordinate we have taken same. Why? Because line should be straight. Y coordinate is not being changed. X coordinate is starting from 30 and ending to 380. मतलब 30 से start होगा 380 तक जा रही है line. And y coordinate 20. Y coordinate मतलब on y axis. On y axis we have taken 20 pixels, so it will be on the same axis, that is y axis, and it will be a straight line. Why? Because we have not changed the y axis. We have not changed the y axis. Now click on the run button. When you will click on the run button, you will see the output that this is a line. Why the line is so touched at the top? Because we have taken the y-axis 20. We have taken the y-axis 20. So that's why it is touched with the top. If we increase the y-axis up to 40 pixel, or let's suppose 60 pixel, 100 pixel, it will come down. Okay. For example, if I change the y-axis here 50 pixel and here 50 pixel. Now see, it is now coming down. Are you getting this point? If I change it to the, let's suppose 200 pixel y-axis and y-axis 200 pixel. Now see that it is on y-axis, it is now 200 pixel away from the top, because we are measuring the 5x pixel on the y-axis. Now see, if we make some change in the x-axis, अगर हम इसको 30 की बजाय start करें 10 से, तो और शुरू से start होगी ये. Now see, ये यहाँ से कोने से थोड़ा सा आगे से start हो रही थी. Now it is being started from the very beginning. Ending position is 380. If I make it 400, तो ये बिल्कुल आखिर तक चली जाएगी x-axis पे position change करने से. Why? Because we are changing. Now see that it is going out. We have changed the position on the x-axis. If we make it from 10 to, let's suppose 100, then its length will be decreased, because we have started from 10 and ended by 100. Now see, because we have reduced the x-axis from 10 to 100, not 10 to 400. So x-axis को कम करने से, एंडिंग पोजीशन x-axis की कम करने से क्या हो रहा है? लाइन की लेंथ कम हो रही है. Because we are changing the ending position of the x-axis. If I mention 50 over here, the line's length will be decreased. ठीक है. और x-axis की ending position को बढ़ाने से लाइन की लेंथ में इजाफा हो रहा है. The length of the line is being increased. I think this thing is clear to all of you. Now see on the y-axis. Y-axis क्या? ये 200 200 ये सेम लिया है हमने. अगर इसको हम चेंज करेंगे, सेम नहीं लेंगे, then line will be inclined. For example, मैं कहता हूँ start करो 100 से. Let's suppose start from 100 and go to 200. Now line will not be straight line, because it is starting from the y-axis where we have mentioned 100 and ending to the y-axis where we have mentioned 200. तो ये start यहाँ से हो रही है, मगर जा यहाँ रही है, inclined हो गई, change हो गई. Why? Why it has been changed? Because starting position of the y-axis is 100 and ending position of the y-axis is 200. So this is very important thing. We can even make it more inclined. और ज़्यादा कर सकते. We can write over here 300, let's suppose. So it will go down, starting from 100 and going to 300. See. Okay. Even if you want to increase the length, okay, fine. Increase the length by ending position, increasing the ending position of x-axis. I have increased the ending position of x-axis, so the line is now inclined. लाइन क्या हो रही है? इंक्लाइंड हो रही है. अच्छा, अगर हमें पहले पॉइंट को नीचे रखना है और वो दूसरे पॉइंट को ऊपर रखना है, देन चेंज द वाई एक्सिस. वाई एक्सिस, फर्स्ट वाई एक्सिस को मैं कर देता हूं 350 और सेकंड वाई एक्सिस को आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज इट टू 100. So now you can see the change, that first y-axis is on 350, so it is at the top, and second y-axis is on 100, so it is at the bottom. Are you getting this point? So this is how we can change, we can make changes in drawing a line. How we can draw a line. So this is basically the method. अगर आपको straight line लेना है, so then y-axis should be same. For example, if I am writing 250 here and 250 should be here, in order to make a straight line. See now the output. Why it is a straight line? Because y-axis should be same. Okay. So I think this thing is now clear to all of you. Now we have to make another program which is for multiple lines, एक से ज़ायद lines. I will give you this program in your Google Classroom as I upload all the programs in your Google Classroom for you. Now see another example. Please see another example of the program. I'm going to close this program, but keep in mind that before going to another program, I would like to mark the attendance. Okay, so we have got the students over here from Adin to Saira Imran 7A to Zainab Suhail. Okay. Okay, Ji, we have marked it now. Okay. Now we have to go to another program. We are going to, we are going to write some more things. We are going to draw some more lines in the small basic. I'm going to open the small basic. And how we can draw multiple lines. This is the program which is given on your books, page number 59. Okay. So I have written this program for you. I have typed this program for you. In this program, we have also merged the looping, for loop. We have used the for loop, For loop we have used to write one line so many times. We have write the for loop for so many times. Okay. For example, from 1 to 20 or from 1 to 10. A number of times if you want to draw the line, you are not supposed to write the code again and again. You are not supposed to write the code again and again, but you will repeat it by the for loop. Now this is an important program that you need to understand. As I have told you that this program is given on your books page number 59. I will also give you this code in your Google Classroom so that you can implement it. But the most important and essential thing is that you have to have a clear concept about this program. What we are going to do, some things are there that we have already understood. Number one, graphics window dot title, lines of different widths. Of course we are drawing lines for different widths. Okay, then we have taken the window, height is 400 and width is 400 and height is 420. Graphic window dot width 400 and graphic window dot height 420. Then we have mentioned graphic window dot back color yellow green, green yellow. Green yellow is also a color which is used, greenish yellow color, and it will be basically our background color. Then come to the graphics window dot pen color. It is an important thing, right? Graphics window dot pen color. Now the color of the pen that we have selected is red. We are drawing the line in the red color. We can make it blue or green or any other color. It depends on us. Now this is very important thing कि y-axis, as I have explained you in the previous program, that y-axis we take the y-axis, you know, for a line we take the y-axis constant, so that line should be straight. Okay, so y-axis I have made over here 20. Y-axis for y1 and y2 we have made it 20. Matlab wherever we will write y1, 20 will come, and y2, 20 will come. Okay, this is an important thing that you need to understand here in this program. Then we have started a loop from 1 to 10. Okay, we can also do this job by writing 1 to 20, because we are going to draw 20 lines. And 1 to 20 means 20 times we are going to draw the lines. Or we can do it for 15. So 15 times the line will be drawn. So it's up to you. How many times you are going to draw the line? 1 to 15 means कि 15 times the line will be drawn. Okay. अच्छा जी. If you want to increase the width of the line for each time, हर बार अगर हम लाइन की width को increase करना चाहते हैं, हर बार अगर हम लाइन की increase करना चाहते हैं width को, so we are going to write graphics window dot pen width. Pen width, you know, pen width हमने पिछले प्रोग्राम में भी सेट किया था. Graphics window dot pen width is I. We have not taken the pen width 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, but we are taking the pen width for I. Why we are taking I? In the first line, pen width will be 1. Okay, because value of I is 1. Value of I will be 1. In the second line, value of I will be 2. In the third line, value of I will be 3. In the fourth line, value of I will be 4. In the fifth line, value of I will be 5. So in each next line, the thickness of the line will be increased. Why? Because we are increasing the pen width. We are increasing the pen width over here. The pen width we have taken in a form of a variable, which is I. We have taken the pen width in the form of a variable, which is basically I. So what we are doing, we are mentioning over here the pen width in the form of a variable, which is being increased each time. Each time it is being increased. Are you getting this point? हर बार इसमें एक का इजाफा हो रहा है. Each time it is being increased. हर बार लाइन की थिकनेस बढ़ जाएगी. अगर हम ये ना करें और इसको फिक्स कर दें तो लाइन की थिकनेस नहीं बढ़ेगी. Okay, for example, if I write it 4, अब क्या होगा? Every line will be of the width 4. But I have mentioned here the counter variable, the variable that we are using in the for loop. So हर बार for loop की वैल्यू में जब I का इजाफा होगा, I में 1 का इजाफा होगा, so its value will be increased by 1. So the pen width will be increased by 1, and each time the line will have 1 point increased width. Now come to the next point. Graphics window dot draw line. This is an important thing. हमने पहले भी कहा था कि the y position should be same. y1 and y2 and y2 में क्या लिखा है 2020. Here we have mentioned y1 and y2 में 2020 लिखा है. Starting x position and y position, starting x and starting x for both the coordinates x1 and x2. x1 is 30 and x2 is 380. मतलब each time the length of the line will be same. Each time the length of the line will be same. हर बार line की जो length है वो same होगी. Why? Because it is starting from 30 and ending to 380. Starting from 30 and ending to 380. So the length of the line will same, and it will be drawn how many times? 15 times, because we have mentioned 15 times over here. And over here y1 में हमने हर बार क्या किया, अगली बार y1 की वैल्यू में 20 का इजाफा हो जाए ताकि on y-axis the line should go down. As I had told you कि y-axis controls the line's position according to height. The y-axis controls the position of the line according to height. So what we are doing? We are doing y1 and y2 increase by 20. अगली बार के लिए, अगले step के लिए, for the next step we are adding 20. So next time y1 will become 40 and y2 will become 40. तो line थोड़ी नीचे आ जाएगी. The line will come slightly down. So line will come slide down. So what we are doing is we are saying y1 is equal to y1 plus 20 and y2 is equal to y2 plus 20. Okay. So in this way, next time y1 and y2 will become 40. Then next time y1 and y2 become 60. Then next time y1 and y2 become 80. So line will come down each time in each step of the loop. In each step of the loop, the line will come down because we are increasing the y-axis value. We are increasing the value of the y-axis. Now, if you click on the run button, you will see that you will see the output. If we increase it by the 1 to 10 step 0.5, 1 to 15. Okay, 1 से 15 में step नहीं लिखेंगे हम. Now see the output. See the output. Each time it is being increased by 1 point. We have drawn 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15 lines are there that we have drawn, and each line is having same length. Why? Because we started from 30 and ended to 380 on x-axis. But each time the line is coming down because the y-axis, what we had done at y-axis we had increased the value of y1 and y2 by 20 each time. So it is being down, it is coming down in each step. अगर हम इसको पॉइंट करके बढ़ाएं 0.5, सो ये बुक में जो दिया हुआ है वो इस तरह है, from 1 to 15 नहीं है बल्कि इसमें दिया है 1 to 10. I am going to make some change over here from 1 to 10 step 0.5. मतलब we are not increasing the width by 1. हर बार 0.5 का इजाफा करें, then it is going to line Draw 20 lines. क्यों? 0.5 plus 0.51, 0.5 plus 0.52, 0.5 in this way. So now 20 lines are there that we have drawn. 20 lines are there that we have drawn in this program. You can see over here. In this example. Okay, so this is a program that is drawing a line multiple times. We have written the code only once, but we have written it inside a loop. So that's why that line is being repeated each time with more thickness. Now, if you have got any question, please raise the hand and ask the question. Please. Those students who are not regular, keep in mind that your attendance is being marked. Those who are not regular, those who are sometimes they are present and sometimes they are not, they should keep in mind that their attendance is being marked. So you must be aware of it. We have got now 10 minutes left. So we are here to address your questions. I'm here to address your questions. Otherwise, I am going to ask you. If you have got any question, please ask. Otherwise, I am going to ask you. It means that each and everything is clear to you all. Alishba. Yes, Alishba.
Sir, I didn't understand the 11 and 12 part. That how plus y1 plus 20 and y2 plus 20 come.
Achha, this one. If we don't write it, y1 is equal to y1 plus 20. मतलब y1 की current value में 20 add कर दो. This is the thing. Add 20 in the current value of y. Current value of y is 20, already 20. When you will add 20, it will become 40. When you will add 20, it will become 40. And y2 may be, when you will add 20, it will become 40. Okay? In the next step, when you will add, it will become 60. When you will add in the next step, it will become 80. So each time the y-axis is being increased and each time the line is being printed down, 20 pixel down. हर बार हम उसमें 20 का इजाफा अगर नहीं करें तो उसी जगह पे वो लाइन प्रिंट हो जाएगी एक दफा. ये 20 दफा प्रिंट हुई भी नजर नहीं आएगी if you don't write this line. Each time we are bringing the y-axis down so that we can see that the line is coming down because we are increasing the y-axis. So y-axis is being increased from 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. And each time you are able to see the line which is being drawn accordingly. Noor Zishan. Yes.
सर मुझे एक चीज समझ नहीं आई कि जब हम लोगों ने इधर 8 पे हम लोगों ने I1 to 15 लिखा और जब हम वो 15 लाइंस आए और जब हम लोगों ने 10 आगे स्टेप 0.5 लिखा तो वो 20 लाइंस क्यों आई?
क्योंकि 1 से 10 तक हम एक एक करके नहीं जा रहे ना. अगर हम एक एक करके जाएंगे तो 10 लाइंस आएंगी. सी if I write in this way 1 to 10 मतलब 10 lines. Now see each line is being increased by 1. अच्छा अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ 1 से 10 तक काउंट करें 1 से 10 तक 1 1 1 का इजाफा करें then you will say 1 then 2 then 3 then 4 then 5 then so it will become 10 steps. But if I ask you to count from 1 to 10 using 0.5 difference तो आप कहेंगे 1 फिर आप कहेंगे 1.5 फिर आप कहेंगे 2 then you will say 2 then 2.5 then 3 then 3.5 then 4 then 4.5 then 5. So the total counting will become 20. Are you getting this point?
Yes sir.
Yes please. Any other question please? Any other thing you would like to ask? Okay, please raise the hand. Musfira Akram. Musfira, you are in which class?
Sir.
You are in 7th A?
7A.
You were present last
7A.
time? Last time you were present?
No, sir.
You know,
No,
for how
sir.
many classes you were absent?
2 classes, sir.
but it seems that you are not that much regular while taking the online class. You will be regular from this class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you got something today what we are discussing?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So Mehak Khalid, Mehak,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me if I want to मतलब all the lines are having same length, अभी सबकी length एक ही है. मैं ये चाहता हूँ
Yes, sir.
पहले स्टेप में, फर्स्ट स्टेप में लाइन की लेंथ जो है वो 10 हो, देन सेकंड स्टेप में 20 हो, देन थोड़ा थोड़ा लाइन में इजाफा हो. So what we can do here in this case? Have you got any idea about it?
Sir, we will write the lines of different height.
Different lengths. It
Yes,
length,
sir. It's length.
yes. But how can we do this? What point
Sir,
is
in
there?
the
Yes.
sir, in the title we will write lines of length, different length.
What should I change over here in order to do this job? Can anyone raise the hand? Okay, Laiba. Yes, Laiba.
Yes, sir. Sir, in the eighth line,
Yes.
sir, we will change it. We will change the step.
But in the 8th line, we are just repeating the lines. Na? Repeating the lines is same. But what I am saying, ke for each time, the line should come with some more length. The line length should be small in the first step. In the second step, it should increase some. Then in the third step, it should increase 10 pixel, for example. So how we can do this? What comes in your mind? Okay, what should make the change? What the change we should make over there?
Sir, maybe we will change the Y1 and Y2 numbers, or from graphics.
We will change this x2. X2 is the ending position of the line and x1 is the starting position of the line. Keep in mind, right now this is fixed. 30 to 380. Each time the line is started from 30, this is the point 30 and this is the point 380. If we change the 380, अगर हम इसको fix ना करें, 380 को, तो ये काम कर सकते हैं. This work could be done in this way. और इसको हम variable में ले लें. Anyway, so this is not there in your given programs, but I was just asking, okay, what do you think about if you need to make some change? Okay, so anything else that you would like to ask which is not clear? You people, I have already given you the exercise of this chapter, and I hope all of you would have written this in your notebooks. Okay, so this chapter's exercise is already done, but what we are doing, we are completing the graphics work, and then we would like to do some lab activities, 1 or 2 lab activity only, and then we will move towards the next chapter, because this chapter was in a bit detail, so that's why we worked on it and we tried to understand each and everything. Now in the next classes we will be drawing the circle and triangle and such kind of things. So then it is now about to over. So this chapter will be over. So our class time is about to over. If you have got anything to ask, please you can ask. What you have to do, you will have to do practice at home, and you will make these programs in your small basic. You will save these programs in your PCs, and you will do practice. You will try yourself by making changes. What happens if we change x-axis? What happens if we change y-axis? Yes, Alishba.
सर इन चीजों में से प्रैक्टिकल आ सकता है?
Practical, definitely. Practical will come from these things. Definitely. Definitely, you will be given the practical activity tasks, and it
Sir,
could come. Of course.
सर सारा जो अभी तक हमने किया है उसमें से आ सकता है ना?
जी बिल्कुल. Anyone else who want to ask anything? Okay, please. Thank you so much. As our class time is about to over, Ashfika, you want to ask something? Our class time is about to over. Yes, please. Ashfika Wasim. You have raised the hand. Okay. Okay, Ji, thank you so much.